सर क्या कहेंगे आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में?
First of all, thank you very much that you all have come for this press conference for discuss a very vital issue of hike in the paper rates, which is artificially created by the paper manufacturers. See, I am the president of the Pune Prisoner Association. With me, Mr. Iqbal Khardwala from Bombay Master Meter Association, Mr. Prakash Kansar from Mumbai Mudrak Sangha, and Mr. Balasaheb Ambekar from Maharashtra Mudra Parishad. See, I am a past president of All India Federation of Master Printer also, which is representing 250,000 printers in India. The press conference is basically arranged to understand and to reach to through your media to reach the masses and make them aware that the cost of paper is increasing haywire unreasonably, which is not correct. And with that, the all paper products are going to increase, and every individual who is using n number of paper products every day is going to suffer indirectly. The basic industry, for example, what we can say is the students. If you understand the requirement of students is the book, textbooks, notebooks, their answer sheets. So if the cost of paper is increasing every day, naturally the books are going to get expensive, the notebooks will be expensive, and students are going to suffer. The parents are going to suffer ultimately. So this is what is happening, In last 3 to 4 months, the prices of paper has gone up by 35% without any justifiable reason. There may be increase in their input cost, but the hike of their selling price is not in the proportionate what the price they are increasing on the higher side. So our request is that government should, because government is also a big buyer of paper. If you understand, in Maharashtra, HSC and SSC examination answer sheets is worth of 16 crore rupees. Out of that, 80% is the cost of paper. So it comes to 14,000 crores is 14 crore is the cost of paper what is used for the answer sheets. Suppose this price increase by 35%, naturally government is going to suffer. Government using 25,000 tons of paper for printing of textbooks. If the price is going very high, the textbooks are going to be expensive. Government is using 3,500 tons of paper for their own stationery printing. If the price increase, they are also going to suffer. So taking into consideration, the government is going to suffer, the end user, the common citizen of India is going to suffer. So this paper rise, which is we feel unreasonable, so we request the government, rather this entire object of this press conference was to make the attention of the government to this problem, for them, for we all also, that they should intervene and control the paper prices. They should declare the paper to be into Essential Commodities Acts, whereby government can have direct control on the price structure of the paper mills. This is what it is.
You have any other proposal or ideas for government?
So this is the only idea which is going to help the government, because unless until they control it, because what is happening, we are exporting a lot, but at the cost of domestic market. So paper mills are trying to get more and more money by selling it outside.
Correct.
What Iqbal Bhai rightly said, that don't sell the raw material, allow the Indian manufacturer here or printer here to create a product with the paper and sell at a higher price. So see, paper is going to get exported, but with additional labor charges, additional cost, added value to it. So export is not going to get affected ultimately. What we are requesting is that government should stop exporting paper. It should made available to the Indian market. Let printers, paper manufacturers make a product and sell it. That is the basic concept.
आज देखिए ना, दूसरी कंट्रीज़ जो है, दूसरी फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ है, इंक्लूडिंग चाइना है या यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ है, इन लोग खुद एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, इन लोग हमारे से माल ले रहे हैं, हम लोग से माल ले रहे हैं और उसको उन लोग कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग का जो हमारे पास जो फॉर्चुनेट है, हम लोग जो हमारे पास रॉ मटेरियल है, ये उन लोग हम लोग से मंगा रहे हैं. चाइना जो पहले वर्ल्ड को एक्सपोर्ट करती थी, अभी उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. इनफैक्ट वो अपना माल अपने पास रख रहे हैं, लेकिन बाहर से हम लोग से माल लेते जा रही है, और वो शॉर्टेज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं हमारे यहाँ पे. इसके वजह से इंडिया में स्कैरसिटी हो रही है, मतलब सप्लाई बहुत कम है, डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है.